AVRs are used to maintain the voltage of a power system.
In the previous video, we discussed the main components of the AVR. Now let's focus on modeling the excitation system. If the generator's terminal voltage V decreases, the error voltage increases. This leads to an increase in VR, which is equivalent to VF. As the direct axis generator flux increases, it raises the absolute value of the terminal voltage. VAS. Now I explain the comparator. It compares the absolute value of V against a reference DC signal, VRF. V represents the error signal, which is the difference between the two signals. Now, we are moving on to Laplace transformation. We apply Laplace transformations to analyze the system. The amplifier's transfer function incorporates a time delay, represented by the time constant TA. The exciter supplies field current to the rotor field of a synchronous generator, with Re representing the exciter field resistor and Li representing the exciter field inductance. Now, considering the transfer function of the exciter, Key represents the gain of the exciter. Ray represents the time constant of the exciter. The exciter block is an essential component of the system. The synchronous generator generates three-phase AC power, typically driven by a steam or water turbine. The terminal voltage is determined by the induced EMF drop across the armature. Combining all the blocks together, we create a comprehensive model. Using reduction techniques, we simplify the model to focus on essential aspects. The open-loop gain and transfer function are crucial for system analysis. Finally, we have the reduced block diagram for a clearer understanding.